Exterior, Vern's pasture, day. Pre-dawn in Oregon's high desert, east of Steens Mountain. An old cowboy awaits the sunrise. It could be today. It could be 1880. Vern Carlson, 60s, looks 10 years older. Leathery skin, crow's feet around his blue eyes. He walks the kinks out, unhurried. There are lots of them. His Stetson, leather vest, and chaps are a second skin. With a small smile, he celebrates another morning. This is his world. The sun peeks over the hills. Orange light washes across the valley, over Vern, then climbs the steep face of the Steens. Fingers of snow glow pink. The sky turns blue. Vern staggers at the sudden beauty. He smacks his lips on a dry mouth as he pokes away a tear. He removes a salt shaker from his vest pocket, sprinkles salt on his palm, and licks it. He works his tongue around his mouth, chasing the salt tang. He repeats it as a horse approaches him and gently nuzzles his chest. Vern sprinkles salt into his palm, lets the horse lick it. He smiles at the horse's raspy tongue raking his hand. The horse finishes the salt, then shakes his head like a dog. Vern wipes his palm on his jeans, unscrews the salt shaker, and dumps a small pile in his palm. He chugs it like a shot. His face contracts as the salt hits his throat. Exterior, Vern's driveway, day. The mile-long driveway empties onto the gravel country road. At the road, a mailbox, built like a house, reads Man Lake Ranch, and bears the ranch brand, a headless stick figure. A four-wheeler speeds down the driveway to the mailbox. Connie Carlson, 30s, is dressed like Vern in leather gloves, denim, vest, chaps, boots, and spurs. Nobody messes with her. She's strong and broad-shouldered, with a ponytail under a worn straw hat. Leather saddlebags flap over her shoulder. She skids to a stop at the mailbox, opens it, extracts saddlebags like the ones on her shoulder, puts the empty bags inside. This is how the mail gets delivered out here. She spins the four-wheeler and heads for home. Exterior, Vern's pasture, day. Vern hears an approaching vehicle. He screws the top back on the shaker, walks to the fence. Connie drives up to the fence to confront Vern.
I would have gotten the mail.
God damn it, Dad. You're not paying the bills.
I'm paying them.
She pulls out bills, shows him envelopes stamped overdue.
I paid some of those.
Coffee's on!
Vern and Connie turn to see David Foley, 35, holds a coffee pot by a pickup truck camper. His angular face and thin body give him the lean and hungry look of a true believer. On the ranch, he sticks out like a sore thumb in Patagonia gear. A shade hat with side flaps and a chin strap, a sun shirt, cargo shorts, and hiking sandals. Connie grimaces, turns away.
Christ on a crutch.
Vern gives David a vague wave, a half smile.
His coffee's good.
He's so full of shit, his eyes are brown.
You just don't like his hat.
I hate his hat. I hate his sandals and his whole stupid idea. Get him the fuck out of here.
Vern walks to the camper to avoid a recurring argument.
Put the mail on my desk. I'm going for coffee. I need something to wake me up.
So we're not gonna sell those cows?
Coffee first.
Eat something too, okay, Dad?
Connie rides to the house as Vern exits the corral. Exterior, David's camper, day. The camper is a newer model, neat, functional. Bumper stickers support renewable energy and wind power. David sets the coffee and cups on a table under the camper's awning. Vern and David sit in camp chairs.
This is a Mexican coffee I like a lot. It's fermented in its cherries, depulped, then washed and dried in the sun for 32 days.
David pours coffee for Vern, waits for him to try it.
Connie's coffee. If I poured it down my shirt, maybe it'd wake me up.
No offense, but that stuff she makes is not coffee.
Says coffee on the can.
David rolls his eyes. Vern sips, smacks his lips appreciatively.
Nice to taste something.